1999, and it's officially Lauren's first day of school. But Lauren, I want to tell you a story. Back when I was a little girl and I started school, your grandma made me something that they used to do in Germany. And it's kind of like a little fruit of plenty, horn of plenty, I mean, and it has special treats in it for the first time schooler. So I want to give this to you, and Jeremy, I got a little something for you too, okay? So here, you come and get it, Jeremy. Okay, take your bag of candy, and next year Jeremy will be going to kindergarten, right? Okay, Lauren, and this is for you. There you go. Now hold it from the bottom now. Okay, all right, and then
How
you can...
do you make it?
Oh, Mama just put it together with some paper and stuff. Turn around so I can see it. See you holding it. Very nice. Okay, hold it up, honey. There you go. Okay, now you can take a look inside.
Something for school. Something for classroom.
I think she wanted that, didn't you?
Why you didn't give me one, Mom?
Well, you'll start school. I'll make you one too, okay?
How do you make those?
There's lots of candy in there. Stuff you like. You can have a piece before you go.
What are they?
Those are crayons that are bubble gum.
What?
Crayons that are bubble gum.
Why can't I have one of these?
You can have one. Okay. What do they look like?
Are they candy?
They're bubble gum.
That's how to go. You mean you can eat these?
Yeah. Can't color with them. You gotta eat them.
I mean, Skippy. Great.
Mm-hmm.
So we go.
So why don't you choose one of the small pieces so you can have a piece before you go, Lloyd? Okay? All right. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Congratulations, Lauren.